What's up, guys?
Bro.
¿Qué practican ahí? ¿Fútbol?
No sé.
¿Tú qué practicas? ¿Qué
Hi guys, I'm here.
¿Básquetbol?
I got a new fidget spinner.
¿Soccer no?
Uh,
¿Fútbol no?
Good.
¿Por qué?
Shit, it's good. Can you guys see it now?
¿Eh?
Right.
No sé, yo
¿No te gusta?
sí, pero no me gusta.
¿O quién los escoge? ¿El maestro?
No, tú puedes escoger, tú escoges, pero y luego la principal decide si tú entras o no entras.
Pero el equipo de la escuela es...
So, yeah. So you guys can see it, look at it, but you guys can't touch it.
Sí hay equipos.
De la escuela, ¿no?
So you guys, did you like the fidget spinner? Yeah. Why? I can't change. I can't turn around the camera. Oh shit! Actually, that's on my eyeballs. Guys, you can see. Pretty dark out here. That's my apartment house. Yo. Oh boy, actually this hurt. I don't have it nearby me. Okay. Can you guys see me? Alright. Ooh, it looks extreme.
O quizás dijo de Lamberler.
¿De quién? ¿La Lambert? La alerta Amber.
¿No dices que habló? Sí, yo creo que dijo eso de que mira por un Black Toyota.
Mira, este es el Amber, es la
¿Alerta Amber?
es con Toyota Camry. ¿Sí? ¿O Toyota Corolla?
No, era Camry 2014.
Toyota Corolla, ¿cómo es el Corolla, no?
No, era Camry.
Oh, Camry.
Luego andaba así, mira, bien bajito. Se empinó allá como para allá para la joya.
So did you guys see the fidget spinner?
¿Sabes cuando es la vuelta?
Oh, guys, by the way, I'm here with
Toyota Camry.
wait, what's your name? Yeah, with Eddie Vlogs here. Oh, my eyes hurt. Yeah, here. Eddie Vlogs, say it.
Eddie Vlogs.
Yeah, you guys heard
You know
him.
you're not
Right?
gonna get paid until you make an account.
What do you mean do an account?
¿Quieren que quiere conmigo?
Like you put a credit card, and every time, and then you have to at least get 10,000 views, and then when you get 10,000 views, you start getting paid on your credit card.
¿Eh?
So first we have to get 10,000 views?
No, yeah, you have to get to 10,000 views, and then you put one of your parents' credit cards, or if you have one, and then you can get money like that.
Can you do that for me?
I get money,
How much? How
like
much?
$100.
Damn, somebody me a fidget spinner.
I know that's how I buy my tickets. I'm gonna buy one tomorrow. I'm gonna buy another metal one.
Buy me one, yeah? Buy me one, yeah? If you buy me two, I'll let you have this one.
I'll give you a fidget spinner, and you give me that one.
Ooh. What type of fidget spinner? It better be metal. And it better not be the one with two sides. I mean three sides, the one that's like silver. The one?
Yeah, I'll give you that one.
No.
Yeah, give me.
¿Dijera que sí? ¿Verdad? ¿Dijera que sí? ¿Tú? ¿Quieres decir que sí o no?
My mom is down seeing you guys. Hey, peace. Peace to him. It's over here, you guys. Found you. Look at his fidget spinner, bro. It's heavy, and guess what, guys? Guys, guess what?
Wait, want me to
Since
put
it's
it
heavy,
on you? Want me to put it on you?
guys, since it's heavy, guess what? It's a spin good. Oh, but it doesn't get me good. All right, there you go. Guys, by the way, want me to do a fidget spinner with Eddie Vlogs? I'm not gonna say his real name because you guys are little bastards. Yeah, you guys are little bastards. You little retardeds. Saying it for good, retardeds.
You speak Clash Royale?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna go get my account.
Hey guys, we're gonna play Clash Royale, so fuck you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is better than yours. You can smell it, you can see it, but you can't touch it! Oh! I'm putting it in my pee-pee.
viejito se lo sabe.
No, fuck you guys. Fuck you.
Te enseñan a hogar, ¿eh?
Pero es que ya está.
Wait.
¿Cómo te digas? Pero no te vas a ir a
Cheese, motherfucker. Wait.